Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about distance-time graphs. These graphs allow us to visualize how far something has traveled in a certain period of time. For example, this one could represent the journey of a cyclist. As you can see, she travels a total of 50 meters in 11 seconds. But the graph also tells us about each part of her journey. The most important idea is that the gradient of the line at any point tells you the speed of the object. That is because the gradient equals change in distance divided by change in time, which is the formula for speed. So on a distance time graph, the gradient is always equal to the speed. In the first section, she travels 20 meters in 2 seconds. So the gradient is 20 divided by 2, which equals 10 meters per second. And because the line is straight, the speed is constant throughout this period. A flat horizontal line, like the one in the middle, means she is stationary because both the gradient and speed are 0. When the line gets steeper, the gradient increases, so the speed is increasing, and this represents acceleration. When the line gets less steep, the gradient decreases, which shows deceleration. Now, when the graph is curved, it means the speed is constantly changing. To find the speed at a specific point, like 8 seconds, we draw a tangent to the curve at that point. A tangent is a straight line that touches the curve at exactly one point and has the same gradient there. We can then pick 2 points on that tangent, measure the change in distance, and divide by the change in time. For example, if the change in distance is 12 meters and the change in time is 3 seconds, the speed will be 4 meters per second. And so, to sum up, straight lines mean constant speed, flat lines mean stationary, curved lines mean changing speed. And to find the speed at any point, you calculate the gradient at that point, either from the straight line or from a tangent. If it's curved, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.